So the channel is going to be changing slightly. Still going to be talking programming stuff, still going to be talking Python specific programming stuff, and then AWS and Azure. So I am going to be doing some unboxing of a mouse, a keyboard. Ideally going to be more focused on programming, right? What's a good keyboard that works well, from work type experience, a mouse, etc. So I'm going to be reviewing. I listen to music and I work some time. I'm going to be reviewing some audio speakers, things of that nature. And there's a few little small things I'm going to include as well, which is going to be finance. Again, from sharing, my income to some degree, right? Of how to make some side hustles, get some extra income as a software developer, and also again, touch little small bases about investing and what you should do, at least what I have done anyways. It's going to be changing slightly, but it's still going to be focused on programming, database, cloud, and then there'll be some hardware reveals, testing, and then a little bit of finance in the mix as well. So y'all